Guys, today I'm gonna do is a service B, is a Mercedes, is a E3. This is a E350, is a Mercedes Benz. This is a 4matic. So first things first, guys, you just come here. So you just come under here. You see this right here. You just put it like that. You open the hood. Then guys, you come to the hood. Just under right here is see right here, and just pop it up like this. And then this is to the engine. You push it all the way. Push this one, guys, all the way in. So here's the engine, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the air filter right here. We're gonna pop this out like this. Then we're gonna do a oil filter right here. We're gonna open this. Let's open this out of the way. So let's proceed. Let's take out our filter, and then we open up this one so we can drain the oil. So guys, I'm going to use a special tool, just this one right here. I'm going to put right here like that, and then take it out. Alright, we take out the air filter, the oil filter, and then we put it on the side. Alright guys, we jack up our car. So once we jack it up, guys, you can put it on a lift or maybe a floor jack, and then you remove the cover, guys, which is supposed to be below here. So it's an 8mm bolt, just like this, just so you take all of them. Once that is done, guys, our drain plug is right here, is a 13mm. So you have to make sure you have something to catch the fluid just on the floor there, and then we take our 30mm and then we open it. And then guys, be careful, don't let the fluid spill on you. So we just open it up like this, and then we just keep our distance. There we go. Alright guys, we let it drain out, and then you make sure once it's draining out, you make sure the washer for the drain plug, you replace it. And then once that is done, guys, you tighten it all back. Alright guys, when it's over, you just put this back. Make sure you don't forget the washer. So you just turn it in like that. Take it all the way in. Make sure you don't forget to tighten it, guys, so oil cannot leak after on. So guys, once the oil filter is done, so once the car is still up, guys, we do another item for service B. That's rotation of tires. So guys, we have 4 tires here. Guys, you come to your car. So guys, you take all 4 tires and then you put on the floor. And then guys, you make sure you have to read the tire specification. If they are all the same, then you can rotate the tires for the back to come to the front, and for the front to come to the back. But guys, if the tire size for the rear is bigger than the ones for the front, and then you just rotate only the rear ones by themselves, and then you rotate the front one by themselves. But if the tire size is all equal all over, so you just mix them. You can just do cross. Okay, so we put it back. So guys, once that is done, you can you put back all the tires. Okay guys, when everything is done, do not forget to put back the pressure to make sure all the tires are okay, because you just change them. So you put the pressure and you should be good to go. So guys, when this is done, so we open this. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove this air filter. It's a bit on the side. It's an E-class air filter. So we have three screws. The one is a two, and then we have a third one here. These so guys, you use Torx 25. This is an L style, so you use to open the screws, all three of them. So guys, you take your time. The inner one might be tough, but you just take your time. Okay, let's begin the work. Alright guys, next thing we do after we remove the air filter, we have to check out the fluids. You have to make sure all the fluids, guys, are up to the recommended where they're supposed to be. Like the coolant, they have to be up to the mark. The brake fluid, you have to be up to the mark, the maximum line. And then we have to also to add the washer fluid too. Alright guys, when the bolts are out like this, you can use a hand to just get them out. Then once you do that guys, you just detach from the front, and then this thing should be able to just come up front, just straight up. So you just pull like that. So putting back, you put it the same. So guys, we'll check our coolant. So this is where coolant goes. So we see the fluids right there. So guys, we maybe I'll just stop a little bit because the coolant is almost in the level which is required. So just stop a little bit for this, and then we go to another item, which is the washer fluid. I think guys, I will need to add more washer fluid here. So please, if your car, like you see the washer fluid is low, you just top it up. And lastly guys, this is my brake fluid. So if you see brake fluid is almost up to the max. So if you check from the top, you can see like a little bit like a splash on it. So guys, I'm good for that. So another thing guys to do is the wiper blade. So I have to get new wiper blades, and then I'll replace it. Just push it up like that, and then once my wiper blade comes up, I just like install it. It's just quick to do. Alright guys, so when you're done with the service, make sure you reset your old service light. So how to do that, you just come here, you make sure your engine is in a position 1. You take your key, and then you just come to right there, you 1, and then once that is there guys, you hold this okay, and then the call button together right here, call. And then guys, you'll be able to see what happens in there. So I'll just do that together, and then that happens up guys. So when that happens up, you go to assist plus, you put okay, you put full service, you come to confirm service. It says service carried out, you say yes, and you say yes guys. It says cannot be undone, you say confirm. So once that's out, it says full service.